Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for insurance agency re-engagement, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Create an Automation button at the top right corner. Choose Start from Scratch and click on Continue. Name your automation something like Insurance Agency Re-engagement. Select Add a Trigger to define how contacts will enter this automation. For re-engagement, choose the date-based trigger. Set the date to catch contacts that haven't engaged within a specified timeframe, like 6 months. Click on Add Start Trigger. Next, click on the plus symbol to add an action. Select Send an email from the action options. Create a new email specifically for re-engagement. Make sure your email has a catchy subject line that grabs attention. In the email body, remind them of the value you provide as an insurance agency. Include a clear call to action, inviting them to reconnect or request a review of their current policy. Once the email is crafted, save it and return to your automation. Next, we'll add a delay to space out your follow-ups. Click the plus symbol again and select Delay. Set the delay to 14 days before the next action. After the delay, add another action. Choose Send an email again, offering a special promotion or incentive. In this email, make sure to emphasize urgency in your call to action. Now click on the plus symbol once more and add a if/else condition. Set the condition to check if the contact opened the first email. If they did open it, send a follow-up thanking them and inviting further questions. If they did not open it, send a more engaging email with a different subject line. Lastly, review your automation for any errors or improvements. Once satisfied, click Active to enable your automation. Monitor the performance of your automation over time. Adjust and optimize your strategy based on the engagement data you gather. This will ensure you effectively re-engage your insurance agency clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.